Ready? You got it. 5, 6, touch your right. 1, 2, together, step left. To the corner. 1, 2, 3, shake it up. 5, 6, 7, front and back. 2, take it back, turn it. Then we freestyle. Hey, man. Fantastic job. Let's do it without cueing.